meters.
Babe.
Playing Fortnite today.
Okay, roger that. We'll go for a release.
Yeah, since you're not here, you will go video. Did anyone else get that thing?
No.
Yes.
You would?
Yes.
It could implode.
Exactly.
There's no way. It's like actually just like the small space that has me.
So being underwater and enclosed compartment doesn't scare you at all? It's
Yeah,
just,
yeah.
It's just the small space.
Well, the small space in underwater.
And risky to die.
Yeah.
You'd be sending snaps over there.
That would be.
I think
There's no
there's service under there.
Life support, good. Depth, 10928 meters. At bottom, repeat, at bottom.
Roger, LF. Understand you are on the bottom. Congratulations, Victor. Congratulations.
Well done. Beginning exploration of the bottom.
Is this the real footage? Oh, okay.
It's fake.
You did it, babe. You did it. We all did it. We all did it. Captain Walsh. It was an amazing experience. It was an amazing dive. I think almost exactly 12 hours. About 3.5 down, 4 hours on the bottom. I think the longest anyone's ever been on the bottom of the Challenger Deep. And then about 4 hours up. I went through pretty much all of my electrical power and had to be swapping batteries around and circuits around. It was a great journey. Saw some really interesting things on the bottom.
Yeah. Alright, so Mariana's Trench, deepest part of our ocean. There's a really cool picture of it. Oh, apparently not. No, it's not okay, but it's fine. Right, okay, so this is kind of the picture that I saw. Okay, so this is kind of your regular sea level, and the Mariana Trench is all the way down. What does this kind of look like? What do these look like?
A reverse mountain.
Ready?
Reverse mountain.
Right. Why?
Because it did the opposite of what a mountain does.
It didn't go up.
Right. So, but like, right? Because I'm assuming that at one point these were all one together, and it was pulled apart. Okay. Moving on to what we were talking about yesterday. So, before we do that, where were we? Bolting, plate boundaries. We did plate boundaries, right? So we did the converging. So the oceanic, continental, oceanic, oceanic, and continental. These. We do that? No. I should not watch it. Okay, we're going to wrap up this. Where's it here? Okay, so weathering and erosion is what we're going to start today. Okay? So these are natural processes that occur in our everyday world, around the world. So weathering versus erosion. So weathering is the breaking down of materials such as rocks, minerals, by physical or chemical or biological processes. How many of you are in chemistry right now? Or in science, sorry.
Me.
Right? Are we learning about what physical and chemical changes are?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So that's what weathering is. What do we think erosion is? What do we think, like, the potential definition of erosion is? Well? No? Sorry. Okay, Liam? You think it's chemical? Or do we think, what do we think erosion is? A cycle. So erosion is the actual removal of the rock pieces. So it is the movement of sediment or soil from one location to another by means of water, ice, and wind. Okay, so erosion basically is the actual movement instead of the breaking down. Right, so if I'm moving, like let's say there's a big cliff and there's so much water running down the stream and the rock is moving downstream with the water, would that be weathering or would that be erosion? If there's one big rock and it's running to the same spot on the rock, it'd be erosion, right? Because the water is scooping up the rock and bringing it down straight.
It's like watering it down.
Yeah, does that make sense? Kind of. Oh.
Little
So
bit.
what do we think the three main forces of weathering and erosion are? Like natural forces that happen outside.
Look at the big one here, 20 minutes.
Oh my god, yeah. She's not wearing slippers though.
Oh wow.
Okay.
That looks like.
Okay.
It's exactly
Moving
like
on. What are three main forces of weathering and erosion? Well,
Hacker.
Stretching.
oh, don't stretch like that. Like who you snapping?
Arlo.
Well, maybe snap
Where?
later.
Put our little away.
Like,
Armadillo.
okay, three main forces of weathering and erosion. What would cause something to weather or erode outside? Yeah, what kind of force?
Ooh.
Force. What are forces? What happens when there's really stormy outside? What's going on outside?
Raining.
It's raining, which is what is rain?
Water. Precipitation.
So we're just gonna go through all of them. So when those small pieces of rock or dirt around, these pieces can hit other rock, further weathering. Water in many forms. Water breaks down the landscapes, rains, rivers, waves, and tides. And ice, when water freezes, it expands by almost 10%. This causes cracks and leaves holes when it melts. Okay, so those are the three main forces of weathering. So wind, water, and ice. Okay, so we're going to then talk about glaciation. We are, however, going to not do that right now. We're gonna do glaciation on Thursday, I believe.
Judith's favorite.
Okay, glaciation on Thursday. So right now, you have this PowerPoint. It has been posted. Actually, I don't know if you do. So everyone is going to need a working Chromebook. Don't open them yet, though.
Okay.
Wi-Fi has not been good today. Okay. Now you have it. Okay, so what you have in your classroom is I posted the PowerPoint that we just went through, and then this note here. Okay? So we've done one of these before where you're just writing like 1 or 2 points down. So what are plate tectonics? What was Pangea? What is volcanism? What is folding? What is faulting? What are the 3 types of plate boundaries? What is weather erosion? And what are the 3 main causes of weathering and erosion? Okay, so those are all in that PowerPoint, and it should only take you about like 20 to probably 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, you can chat amongst the people sitting at your table to help you do that. You don't have to do it by yourself, but I don't want to see people moving around or yelling for no reason. No, you may not go to the bathroom.
Did you say that I could go over there?
Pardon? Well, okay, does anybody have any questions before we start? Other than Blake? Yes, Jack. Can you go sit with Leland?
Yeah.
No. You can't go sit with Jackie.
Can she come here?
Well, talk about it.
Where can you go to?
I just did Fortnite.
Let it happen.
Okay, so I want you to And the quicker that we get this done, the quicker that we can move on to the gizmo. Right? Okay? So, get your Chromebooks open the note, and just post it under
Really,
steady
the
state.
lights off. Yeah, leave the lights on.
You
Forgot the
lights
webcam.
Off.
Lift your hand
Forgot
if
the
you want them
webcam
on.
again. What?
If
Dimmed.
If you want the lights on, lift up your hand.
Dimmed.
It is dim.
What if you want them
It's
dimmed?
off.
You want them dimmed?
Yeah.
This is dim.
You're the only one that wants them dimmed. They're staying off.
Dimmable.
Yeah. Yeah. When Liam gets back.
Can I be Liam for a bit?
No. Okay, Alice is like here.
I'm a ninja. I'm a ninja. I ain't coming around. Oh. Gang. Did you see that?
Yes, sir.
That was ninja moves.
White ninja moves.
Yeah.
Open your Chromebooks. You cannot jack.
Ah, shucks. I just did a 10-minute stream on Fortnite. Yeah, I got one kill and he was real too.
Yes,
I was
sir.
like, bah!
Get out.
And then I died. I hit him once.
Come back. I'm gonna take your Chromebook and you're gonna
No.
That would not be good.
Okay, gang, have to go back.
Bye, gang.
See, oh, we're probably gonna end the stream here actually.
Alright,
Let me
see
know
you
if you like
guys.
that type of vlogs before. Alright, we'll see you in the next one.